Action.
Being invited to such a wonderful event, as this is my pleasure. I thank God for this kind of opportunity to share my speech within you. Before I start my speech, I would like you to know who I was for you. I can proudly say that I was a friend of yours and the one whom you admired the most. Where? By believing in yourself, you can do a lot of things. You will believe in my words that youth is the hope of the nation. The reason I am here is because of my passion and my beliefs. At first, you didn't know what the reason was for studying. But with my help, you can now fully understand what the purpose of education is as an individual. Being educated is one of the most important things to have so that no one can insult you. I am Dr. Jose Rizal, your friend. I am the one who makes you proud as a Filipino who loves our country. You know about my unwavering love for the Philippines and my dedication to its liberation from colonial rule, inspiring you to be proud of our heritage and work for the betterment of our future. I encourage everyone, every youth, to help yourselves. Start it. And always believe in yourselves that youth is the hope of the nation. Study hard and focus on your goals, my fellow learners. We can do it for the betterment of our future. Make a responsibility for our best selves and pursuing your dreams within our heart as a Filipino. But not only that, it's for our beloved families. Thank you for your appreciation that I'm a big help to you, to us, and to everyone. And mostly, thanks for your appreciation towards my efforts. I'm effortlessly doing something good to our country. I had already died for our country, so you can avenge for the whole nation. I am Jeffrey Allen A. Santos, speech as Dr. Jose Rizal. God bless us all.